Hey guys, welcome back. So it's time for the Curlformers review. I do have some pictures up on my Instagram and Facebook page of when I did the Curlformers. You probably didn't even notice that that's what kind of hairstyle it was, because at the time when I was doing the posting those particular pictures, I didn't specify that they were Curlformers that got my curls the way that they did, because I hadn't done a review on it yet. So, but now we're going to do a review. So I just got some new ones because the ones that I had were short. So I was actually doubling them up. They were like this short, and then, so I would double them up, put them on a stick, and then do half, and then do another half. But now I got a whole bag of the full ones. Actually, 2 bags. Got the pink and the orange. So it should cover my full entire curl at this point. And that is what's up. So I'm going to use my Eco, the last of it. I hadn't bought any more. Don't clown. Don't even come for me. I didn't buy any more because I have a whole bunch of other products back here that I need to try, and I just don't want to keep buying stuff. What if I find something that I like more than Eco? I don't know. Nobody knows. We're still trying to figure this whole thing out on how to do. Okay, so I have the 2 plastic bags on because I find that it's easier and it doesn't drip on me. Where's my towel? Oh no, I must have left it downstairs. Okay, anyway. My hair doesn't drip when I do it in a double bag like this. 1 bag, my head is large. I keep saying that. Don't come for me for that either. So I did a 2 bags so that all my hair can fit without dripping everywhere. So I have the leave-in conditioner in right now, which is the Cream of Nature Pure Honey, the Not Away leave-in, my favorite detangler, and leave-in. So it's super moisturized. The reason I had it in the bag was because I had something to do right after I put the leave-in in. It was time to eat. So I had to pause that so that I can eat. My hair is like literally still dripping. That's what's up. Locking all of that moisture in so I don't have to re-wet it. So now that I have the leave-in in, I am going to section my hair off and start applying the curlers in a section about that big. Okay, so I squeeze the tip of the orange Curlformer, and the stick still isn't long enough, so that's fine though. You really just want it to get on and have room for this to hang out. And you apply gel, not a whole lot, just enough to make sure you get that hold that you need. Do a twist at the base. That way you can make sure that your edges are laid. You see the hook? Scoot it up. Alright, so I'm going to do this all over my head, and I will show you what it looks like when it's on. That's one. Especially at the root. Get it nice and flat. See how the edges is nice and flat? It's important because once you sit under the dryer, you want it all flat so that your roots will be nice and shiny and straight, while the ends of your hair will be poppy. Oh, yeah, twist it tight, just a little bit, so that it can be secured in the hook. Up. Sit under the dryer for about maybe 45 minutes to make sure it's all completely dry. And probably gonna sleep with these on just so that I can keep the curl throughout the night. I'll be back. I'm almost done pulling these out. Squeeze the top. Nice bouncy girls. Now you take a little oil. I'm using Africa's Best coconut growth oil. And you put a little oil in your palm, like that, just a few drops to break the cast, the gel cast. Now, I actually have somewhere to go and things to do, so I'm not going to pull these curls apart too much. Probably going to leave it like this, just slick my edges and go on about my day. Just have a few errands to run today, but tomorrow I have some major stuff business to attend to, so I will not pull these curls apart because I need them for tomorrow. So I'm going to most likely sleep with my bonnet on and pull these curls up in there, slick my edges, make sure that they're okay, and then I'll pull the curls apart a little bit more tomorrow. And I'll post a picture so you guys can see what they look like all pulled apart tomorrow.
good.